Ẹ káàsán, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ ìkànnì Àgbẹ̀dẹ TV worldwide. Ẹ dákun ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run bàbá wa Ọọ̀ni of Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Ẹ dákun kí la fẹ́ pe eléyìí nígbà tí ẹ ní kí Aláàfin ikú bàbá yèyé tẹ́ ní ká máa ṣe àdúrà ìgbẹ̀yìn níbi occasion tẹ́ ẹ wà. Ẹ má bínú, ṣé Arifin la pè yìí ni àbí kí la fẹ́ pè é? Nítorí eléyìí ò bá ojú mu tó o. Eléyìí ò bá ojú mu tó o. Báwo lẹ ṣe sọ pé kó di Aláàfin of ilẹ̀ Yorùbá káfàtà kó wá ṣe last prayer níbi occasion tẹ́ lọ? Àwọn bá pọ̀ ń bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ dákun ẹni ènìyàn, ṣé kí la fẹ́ pẹ̀lú eléyìí? Ṣé Arifin la pè ní àbí kí la fẹ́ pè gan-an? Ẹ dákun ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, ẹ bá wa sọ sí o, kò ní bàjẹ́.
No, Alaafin will pray for you, and Kabiyesi Deji, they will round up. They will round up. You know, so just join us. We haven't debriefed it properly, so we will debrief it. So just praying for you. Okay. But I want us to hear the voice of Kabiyesi Olúìlàró briefly. Then Alaafin will tabure away of Idowa Ekukale. Kabiyesi Olúìlàró. Protocol. I don't have much more to add other than all that you have said. I will just plead with the National Assembly.
Please, let's listen to our Kabiyesi. This is silent. This is a very important item on our agenda. And you can be sure the reason we are doing this is because we have them there. You have the rest of the day to yourself. You have the whole of tomorrow to yourself. Let them just do their own things.
Thank you. Thank you, Asante Leader. Well, my voice is just to plead with the National Assembly, and especially our sons and daughters who are in the State Assembly, to please help us to accede to a request by granting this bill a speedy passage. I know the President will not relent in assenting his pen on the bill. On that note, I want to thank you for your time. The prayer that the people our Baba, buying to Papa, but our no, and take a happy city so that our Chetabam Pania say, Adimabule. Yes, I said to my enemy, but tell your papa, he, I want to pray for you, we not do, we have to come, but just know that we have to be that for us. But we want you to have a legal package. Against law and body, we are not in the old era. If we are still part of the same Nigeria, we believe that the legal, I would say legal framework, like that. We are not only there, like the Arab said. I pray wàhálà láyọ̀ nínú làmá ní kó láti ṣẹ́jẹ́ pé ọba tí wọ́n lọ sílé ẹjọ́ ní àti tákìyà àjọra yanjú ẹ̀ láti wáyé ẹ̀kọ́. Tí o bá sí nǹkan tí ó dé lẹ́yìn lè múlẹ̀, yes, àwọn èèyàn ṣe pọ̀ ẹ̀, tẹ bá lè fún wa ní àyè nínú òfin Nàìjíríà pé wípé o àṣẹ àwọn tí bàbá bá ti wá láti báńkì lẹ́gàdì tó bá náà wò wá gbà wọ́n ti magistrate court ó lọ side court only civil matter we don't want to hear matter. I want to assure you that gbogbo tètè lọ sí ẹgbẹ́ ọlọ́kàn you don't need ẹ̀kọ́ kan lọ sí get a better thank you very much.
The majority leaders of our National Assembly, you have drawn our attention because they only have told you that we've gone far, but the only issue is for us to meet the State Assembly, and they were here now, and the head of the speaker in Southwest, we will write you by our Babawa, we write you that you will give us a date, we make presentation for you. If this one is not enough, It's not.
Yes.
Then
It's enough.
Then we will expect you to write the Senate. We will expect you to write the Senate that we are in the same page. If that one is taken, we don't need to. We are on the same page with the Senate. What about the we? They are requiring us to meet to get the 2/3. If the 2/3 we are arguing for, and for us now, if the governor's quorum can make the presentation that we have made you and you have accepted our proposal, so shall it be.
Yes, we are just 6 out of the 36.
Yes.
Speaker, please, let me now that you have agreed, please you are to take a sacrifice to the national body of speakers so that now discuss with them on our behalf. Would that be done, please? You are to lobby on our behalf. We are expecting you to lobby on our behalf.
He's been doing that too. Ọmọ yìí ni wá, a lè fi gbọ́ gbogbo ọ̀gá tẹ̀ sọ.
Ẹlẹ́tí bàbí yẹn o. Ẹ ṣe bàbá àgbẹ̀mí rẹ̀. Thank you.
Thank you very much. As you all know, I just assumed my forefathers' throne about 2 months ago. So I'm very aware of the fact that the traditional rulers' involvement in the making of a constitutional rule is very important. In the sense that we believe that we are the people that are very close to the grassroots. We are dealing with some of these people on a daily basis, making sure that everything is in order. So I remember the last time I was in Abuja, I met with Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and one of the things that was discussed was the issue of the security, and same thing, the involvement of the traditional rulers in making of laws and others. So in this respect, I want the Senate to help us to making sure that there's a total involvement, so that that will pave room for better development in Yoruba land and in Nigeria as a whole. So I'm glad to be here and to be part of the team that would move the Yoruba land to the next level. So thank you very much. And my prayer for all of you is that Yoruba people will say, Adele Barrio, Arina Koreo, Akoya Ibio, Amolore Amobori, Oni Owa Bauki, Senese, Binkano, Owa Town, Nikabuye. And I want to commend the effort of the distinguished Senate on seats. You are doing very well, and we appreciate your efforts. We believe that by the time we collaborate well with you, Nigeria will be a better place. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Kabiyesi. Hello? Kabiyesi all of different. And Kabiyesi Alaafin of Oyo. Kabiyesi all of different. And Kabiyesi Alaafin of Oyo. The civil senators wanted to come up here. The two of you come and take photograph with us.